I'm Steve Dimichowski. I'm the Operations Director for Deer Park Tanger Center in Deer Park, New York. It's an outdoor mall, which is unusual in the Northeast, but it works out great because of the layout. We're working on actually a refresh of the center right now. It's upgrading the facilities and amenities. It's sort of the downtown area for Deer Park area. They don't have a downtown area, so this is where they come to go shopping, to have an experience and spend some time, quality time with their family. The hand dryers have been here since 2008, the original construction of the building. There's no issues with them, not a single one is broken down, and it's a lot easier than using the paper towels, which create messes in the bathrooms, not to mention people flush them down toilet bowls or do other things with them. Hand dryers are a great addition, and not to mention it's more hygienic than paper towels.
Given the fact that we have about 80 acres of property, having what the accelerators provide is amazing for us because it's one less thing that we got to worry about, and so that we're able to cater to other things so that our customer perception is always 100%. Everybody on staff has mentioned to us how reliable they are because they never break, and also how easier it is to maintain the clean conditions in our facility.
We actually have solar panels on all the roof areas here. As a sustainability project, we've done LED retrofits, and when we went towards getting our well certification, one of them was getting a HEPA filter for hand dryers, and it was a great option to be able to do a retrofit kit instead of buying a whole brand new hand dryer. I worked with my maintenance crew, and they did some YouTube videos they watched, and they were able to retrofit them themselves. It was that easy. All 28 of them were retrofitted with the HEPA filters, and we did that last year, and it's been a whole year with zero problems, zero issues. It's a way of us double checking that we're doing the right thing and learn new industry standards and practices that we can employ to make our environment that much better.
Definitely easier for the customer. They get a better result in terms of the cleanliness of the place. They are able to enjoy a facility that has been sanitized and has been taken care of, especially after COVID. It's very important to take all of these details into consideration to make sure that the overall result is always pleasant for the customer.
He's worried about having touch points cleaned and just having a clean facility. People are more cognizant of the environment they're in, and using an accelerator with the HEPA filters helps us out with that.